Day one of week 3. So excited. We're down in Denver today. Gonna skate some street spots, skate parks. Meet up with someone that we met at a skate park.
We're gonna hang out with my homie before he goes back to London. Skate some street spots with him. Get some clips of him because he's a super good skater. So it'll be a good time in Denver. And then we'll probably go to D Park. And then pretty much just kind of mess around until he has to leave. And then Caitlin and I will probably stick around in Denver to show some clips. Right now we're headed to Lakewood to run some errands. But we'll be done with that pretty quickly and kind of get to the fun stuff for the day, which would be so sweet. Can't wait to skate, street spots in Denver. We've been down there so many times now and we've scoped out so many things that could be skatable. It's just insane that everything is untouched here.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a fun time skating with our bud. Just hanging out for the day in Denver.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it. Yo, we should watch Star Wars. You down?
Yeah. Day 2, episode 3. Yesterday, we just got done dropping my friend George off at Union Station down in Denver. Skated D Park for a little bit. Caitlin got some clips, I got some clips, George got a clip, his friend Tizzy got a clip. Then we came back, hung out with them. After they left, we decided to leave Denver. It was way too damn hot out yesterday. So we came back home, just chilled. Today, we had to keep it pretty mellow. Earlier today, we ran some errands, had to just go to Target and do some, real person, real people stuff. We went back home, chilled out for a little bit, and then we decided to come out here to B&B Mines Trails. There's this super gold drudge behind me, which is pretty cool. This week has been pretty mellow. We have to actually do like real people stuff this week, so we'll get some clips, but it may not be the most interesting of weeks. Transientsbynature day 4. Fortunately, yesterday it was raining. The weather was kind of crappy. We literally did nothing but stay in bed and kind of catch up on rest and relaxation, getting ready for this work week. Today we decided that we were going to take a walk up to on Arapahoe Basin, a couple of minutes from the house. It's an awesome hill to hike. They don't charge you or anything to get up, so we had to do it. Especially since we're going to be working here, we had to get ourselves familiarized. We also woke up this morning and there was snow on some of the peaks, which is awesome, which means winter is coming even closer. I know Arapahoe Basin's got their snow blowing guns already set up and everything, so I mean their season, knock on wood, should start in like the next month or so. And we are so stoked to be able to ride. Seeing these hills and everything is just amazing.
I can't wait.
So we just want to talk about what Transientsbynature, what we want to do with the project, and then just kind of stuff going forward.
Tell me
Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready when I'm ready, bitch. Just kidding. So, Transientsbynature, this wonderful project that Henry and I have started about us traveling over the country to every snowboard and ski mountain there is. Starting off with the Northwest, which we're very excited about. But in the meantime, until then, we're showing our lives and what it's like to live out here in the beautiful state of Colorado. Somewhere neither of us have ever been or lived, so it was quite exciting to move here. Big adventure for us. Transientsbynature gives me a reason to get up and go traveling. A purpose in a sense, because now I'm purposefully going everywhere I wanted to, but on top of that I get to snowboard and experience everything in a different lifestyle. And it's super exciting because I didn't snowboard growing up until December of 17 is when you taught me, right after I moved out to Jersey.
Yeah.
That's when I learned, so I've only been snowboarding for less than a year. Absolutely stoked, in love with it, that's for sure. Addicted.
Nothing like it.
Addicted, thank you.
No problem.
But yeah, so now I get to see the world in that aspect that I never would have got to before, so that's why this video is very important to me. Plus I get to travel around with my best friend all the time, so that's exciting.
Ready to go? Alright. So to give you a little bit of background on myself, I've been interested in filming snowboarding and making snowboard and skateboarding videos, and pretty much videos of any kind since I was a really young child. Really big into cinematography and video making. It's just something that I've always had a passion for. And now, being out in Colorado, having the perfect opportunity to be able to film this, having Caitlin around, and having worked in the professional skateboarding filming business for a little bit, now seems like a perfect opportunity to finally be able to do this project, Transientsbynature. The reason I wanted to do this is because it gives you guys a glimpse into our life, our traveling, kind of the culture behind snowboarding and skateboarding, being able to move around in all the different places that snowboarding and just traveling can take you. So we just wanted to show that off. Also, we thought it would be at least I thought it would be an awesome opportunity to create a platform that would allow us to meet new people, create new things with new artists that we meet along the trail. It also gives us the opportunity to give a platform for other creative people that want to join us and kind of do stuff with us, be it music, art, apparel, and fashion, or whatever it may be. It just gives us kind of this perfect opportunity and show to show off everything that we kind of come across.
So the goal for Transientsbynature is to do our massive road trip across the Northwest during snowboard season of 19 and 20. So for this season, mostly it's preparing, gearing up for it, saving up the money. We'll both be working 2 full-time jobs, one at eBay and one with the beef jerky outlet store. So we'll be doing that all summer to raise money for that and kind of, get things squared away, get the RV, save up a ton of money for gas and mountains. For the passes, definitely getting the best pass out there for each mountain so we can hit all of them. mostly, so Henry and I will both be working 2 jobs all winter long to save up for this. We also set up a Patreon account in case any of our family or friends wanted to help support or donate to help with our fun road trip for 2019. It's gonna be super fun. Yeah, so our Patreon account is specifically for if anyone feels like helping us out at all. We will be working our asses off to get to this goal, but if anyone wanted to help us out in any kind of way, shape or form, donating, spending time with us, coming out on the road trip with, definitely looking forward to that. We will be having people come out with us for weeks at a time, or just days. Snowboarding, it's just about fun, building that family within the community. We will be doing Patreon exclusive content, different photo books in a sense. We'll be doing live Q&As as well, like how we're doing, what we're doing. You can ask us questions about us.
Questions about adventures,
Who we are, where we started.
places that
Goals.
we've been, places that we love, anything.
The stories behind it.
Yep.
Yeah, so the Patreon, it's there for family and friends to help. That's all. We just want to thank you for all your support and your love, especially the family members. You guys, we wouldn't be here without you, so thank you for everything. You're helping us live our dreams, so it's pretty cool.